next concept, that is fullerences. Before going to fullerences, we try to know about what is meant by dangling bonds. In dangling bonds, for example, in diamond, it is a 3D structure made by the carbon molecule. Here, this is the structure of structure of diamond made up of the carbon atoms. If surface of this diamond is cutted by the edge tool or surface is default, surface default agaithi, that time this carbon experience the insufficient covalency due to the damaged edge. That time this carbon experience the insufficient valency, therefore 3 valency are fault. Therefore this carbon having only one bond with this carbon and only one bond with this carbon and one bond with this carbon, total 3 bonds are there. This one bond is insufficient for this carbon. That time here free radicals are found. Usually free radicals are highly reactive, but due to this insufficient valency or unsatisfied valency, these free radicals are less reactive. This type of bonds are called as dangling bond anta kariteve now. These dangling bonds are the bonds which are formed by the unsatisfied valency of carbon. Unsatisfied valency atandre enagtati, this carbon doesn't follow the octet rule. Therefore this type of bonds are called as dangling bonds. Now these fullerences are made by the heating of graphite in arc in presence of inert gases, that is helium or argon. Take a electric arc which is connected to the positive as well as negative end of the battery. This is called as arc method. In this arc method, we heat the graphite. That time we got the fullerences. Fullerences are made by heating the graphite substance in an arc method. That time we occur the fullerences, and the sooty material is obtained. Sooty material is obtained by vaporizing the carbon material. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಟಿ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೂಟಿ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫೈಟ್ some amount of carbon is there, or graphite is a made up of carbon material. Whenever we vaporize the carbon, that time we got the sooty flame. And also these fullerences are made by the C60 or C70 carbon atoms. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one fullerene molecule ready ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ in that time we need 60 carbon atoms or 70 carbon atoms. And these fullerences are the only pure form of carbon. These are the pure form of carbon material, and they have smooth and soft structure. Smooth as well as soft structure, because they doesn't have the dangling bonds. These fullerences doesn't have the such type of dangling bonds. Antandra in this fullerene all carbon atoms are satisfied by 4 valency. In these fullerences no dangling bonds are found. Therefore, these structures are very smooth and very soft. And these fullerences are cage-like structure or cage-like molecules are present. This C60 molecule has a shape of soccer ball-like structure. ಈ 60 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ fullerens. And these fullerences also called as Buckminster fullerene. These fullerenes are also called as Buckminster fullerenes. Here fullerences are made by the heating the graphite in arc method. Graphite na heat madidra we got the fullerene, and also this graphite is made up of the carbon material. Whenever carbon material got or experience more temperature, that time it will get vaporized. That vaporized carbon will produce this sooty flame or sooty material. And next is the fullerences are made up of the 60 or 70 number of carbons. Therefore, we can tell it as C60 and C70 are the important facts for the structure of this fullerene. And these fullerenes are completely made up of carbon, and they have smooth as well as soft structure because they doesn't have the dangling bonds. Dangling bonds antandra they doesn't have insufficient or unsatisfied covalency or unsatisfied valency for carbon atoms. Therefore, we can tell it as they doesn't have the dangling bonds, and they are completely made up of cage-like structures or cage-like molecules. C60 molecules are completely have or completely it can ready a ball-like soccer ball-like structures, and this soccer ball are called as fullerenes, and these fullerenes are also called as Buckminster fullerenes. This is about the fullerences. This is the structure of fullerene. It contains, this fullerene contain 26 membered rings, and 12 5-membered rings are present. In this fullerene 6-membered ring 20 idavu, as well as 5-membered rings are present. 12 5-membered rings are present. In this structure 6-membered rings may fuse with the 6 or 5-membered ring, but 5-membered ring must be fused with the only 5-membered rings. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6-membered ring ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 6 ಜೊತೆನೂ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು, 5 ಜೊತೆನೂ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು. ಬಟ್ 5-membered ring ಇದ್ದದ್ದು they must fuse with the only 5-membered rings to ready this soccer ball like structure. And bond length, that bond length is 143.5 picometer as well as 138.3 picometer. And this carbon bonds are also called as bucky balls ಅಂತನೂ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. This spherical fullerenes are also called as bucky balls ಅಂತನೂ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. This edges are called as vertices. In this total 60 vertices are present, and they are made up of CC bonds as well as CC single bond as well as CC double bond. Next concept, that is uses of carbon. Carbon use ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. First, carbon is present in the charcoal. Charcoal is a material which is completely made up of carbon atom. This charcoal is used as a good adsorbent ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which is the capacity of material to retain on the surface ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಕೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ತನ್ನ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. that is called as adsorption. It is the phenomenon that time molecules or impurities only present on the surface of that material, that is called as adsorbent or adsorption ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Here charcoal is a material which is made up of carbon. That charcoal is used as a good adsorbent material, means which adsorb the all poisonous gases, and which is also used in second use, which is also used in to used in water. This charcoal or this adsorbent is also used in water to remove the contaminators. ದಿಸ್ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ದಾಗ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀರ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ adsorbent will remove all the contaminants which is present in the water molecule. And next, third use, graphite, which is also made up of the carbon material. Graphite is a good conductor, means which through which electricity which can be passed or which conducts the electricity. Therefore, this is called as good conductor of electricity. And next, carbon black, which is the black pigment, which is used in black ink. And as used in automobile tires. This carbon black used in a black ink as well as automobile tires. And next, coke. This is also made up of carbon. This coke is used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. This coke is used as a reducing agent. And next, diamond, which is also completely made up of carbon. It is a precious jewelry or precious stone. It is measured in carats. Diamond is a precious jewelry. It is measured in carats. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligrams or 200 mg. These are the some important uses of carbon atom.